Hey, Grego's here. We don't do this too often, and I need to do it more often, so that's what we're doing. That's why I'm doing it now. We don't always show the car finished. Oh, hang on. Sorry about that. Don't always show the car completely finished. And here we are. Well, it's 99.5% finished. There's only a couple of little tickles that it needs doing, but Miss Bonny is all sorted. She's all polished up, ready for the truck ride down to Tasmania, so she won't look so pretty when it gets down there, I'm sure, but yeah, that's how it's come up. But yeah, you've got to see this interior. Just Mick and Sharon from M&S Johnson have done an amazing job on here. So, see my colour matched bloody things and everything. We've got a jack down there. Probably wonder what that little control panel's for. That's got to be velcroed to the carpet. It's for a diesel heater. It's also got a little remote control as well. We've got to put the badges on when we get to Brisbane. We just didn't have the badge clips. So that's how it looks. Retro sound head unit didn't arrive, so that can be put in later, but all the speakers are done. There's a special speaker behind the grill pattern in there, so yeah, absolutely looks amazing. Oh yeah, and I better pull this up. We'll have a look at this. Pop. It's nice when that works. Took quite a while, a bit of fiddling, but let's have a look under here. So there you go, that looks pretty good. So we've got a spare wheel cover. We've just got a bit of like a felt down here that's padded, so it looks nice. And you know, it's a nice place to sit your bags. And that there is our masterpiece diesel tank. Bit of steampunk look to it. So Andrew done a nice job doing the stainless on that, and a little stand, and we thought a belt would look nice to hold it in place. And our friend Scott helped us with the cap. It had to be a vented cap for the work, so that holds about 3 litres of diesel, and that at the click of a button the diesel heater switches on, and after about a minute the whole car is just like toasty warm. So because this car is going to probably the coldest place in all of Australia, so if this was mine, I'd be using that a bit. It takes a little bit of getting used to the heat, but it's instant without the car running. So the car you can preheat the car basically. So yeah, it's looking good. We had to get new hubcaps and new bumpers, etc. We could only get the cheaper chrome ones, but that's what I reckon. It's if we keep the polish up to them, didn't get all that polish off. Keep the polish up to them, they should last a while. So got the trailer ready to go. So we've got to drop it off in Brisbane now. Just give you another look at that lush interior. What a place to be. We haven't driven this thing since we got it here quite a while ago, a year and a half, I don't know. Had it a while. And we did a bit of oil leak work on the motor, and so it had new valve, what do you call it, push rod tube seals, and yeah, that sort of thing. So we had to reassemble all that with that. The last owner had set up this twin throat setup here, Delorto it is. So yes, it actually goes quite well, and it doesn't have that smooth progression so much that you get with a vacuum advanced distributor and a little 34 picked, but it definitely has a bit more get up and go. So yeah, so that's where we're at. Another one finished. Nice finally to be doing a video of finished car. So Oh, like you could probably, I didn't go, it's got a protective layer on it, but to go crazy on a detail like you're going to take it to a show, it's not worth it, because if this is sitting, whether it's on the top or underneath the platform on the trucks, it's going to be filthy when it gets to Tassie. So yeah, that's where we're up to. One more look inside because it's so nice. Yeah, very excited. So another one done, heaps more to go. Alrighty, talk to you later.